Start. Okay, for a final 4760 project, we have come up with a gesture-based enabled security system. The motivation behind making this project is that nowadays we have a screen unlock system in a mobile system. So to recreate it in a space, we have come up with the security system where the user makes a pattern in this space, and if it recreates it and it matches with the stored pattern, then the lock will open. So this is how we'll do it.
Okay, so right now I'm going to save a pattern. And I've saved it. So I'm going to recreate the same pattern. And it says match found.
And it says match found, and the little green LED came on.
Yeah, that's right.
Now do a non-match. Now you're going higher and faster, and now we have well, it blinked red. So do it again there. Right. So now we have a non-match.
Yeah.
So you have an inside here.
Yeah, we have 4 infrared proximity sensors here placed on top. So they are placed in a linear fashion such that they could cover a larger area. And we have grids just to make sure that the user knows where he's creating a pattern and where he's
Here we have 2 modes, a switch for switching from each mode. One is a store mode, which allows the user to create and store a pattern, and one is a check mode where he can check the stored pattern, whether the pattern created matches the stored pattern or not.
Alright.
Basically, the person while checking, it's humanly impossible to do it with the same speed. So we have kept its speed invariant in the sense that almost the speed of the checking pattern should be 1/4 times the speed of the stored pattern.
So you can do a fairly slow stored pattern, reference pattern, and then do a much faster security check because it does an intelligent thing with searching the order.
We should ensure that the check pattern is at least 1/4 of the stored pattern. Here we have kept it 1/4. So if you want additional security, you can make it 1/3 or even.
Okay, so there is a speed requirement, but it's not a strict speed requirement, which is very hard for humans to do.
Accuracy is more important. So
right. And it's position based, and it is a 2-dimensional sensor, so you're moving your hand around in this plane.
That's it.
And part of the reason for the box is that you want it to be invisible to an outside
so that
user.
Makes the environment more secure, and also to give the sensors a confined environment to work in.
Oh, right, because the sensors have a limited range, and you need to be able to control it very accurately. Okay, cool. Thank you.